When analysing your data, you may want to drill down and focus on something specific. With rules, you can filter for a particular audience, compare how different groups of people answered your survey, and show only the pages or questions that you want. Filters let you view responses from a specific group of people. To create a filter, click the Rules tab from the Analyze page, then click Filter. Now you can choose from a host of different filter options. One of the most popular is to filter by question and answer. For example, here we have a survey aimed at deciding which dog food packaging people prefer. Perhaps you want to see how people with dogs up to £35 answered the survey. Click Filter by question and answer and choose question 1. I only want to see responses from people with dogs £10 or less, or £11 to £25, or £26 to £35. Apply the rule and watch your results change. Now you can only see how that group of people answered your survey, so you can gain helpful insights. There are loads of other filters you can choose from as well, such as choosing to view responses from a specific collector, or filtering for responses that were submitted on or between certain dates. If you already added custom data about each contact in an email invitation, you can also filter by metadata, such as their name and any custom info that you have for each person. Once you've created some filters, you can manage them at any time. Just click the Menu tab, where you can easily unapply, edit, or delete your rule. If you've created multiple filters, they can be applied together. For example, here we have a filter to show responses from people that own dogs up to £35, and another filter to show only complete responses. Since both are applied, we'll see results from people that own dogs up to £35 and have completed the survey. If you only want to apply one of them, just click on the filter to unapply it. You may want to combine your filters with more control. To do that, click Filter and then Combine Multiple Filters. Click the first drop-down to choose between Match and Does Not Match. Then choose the filter that you want. Now click Condition to add another filter. At the moment, when this filter is applied, we'll only show responses from people that both own a dog up to £35 and completed the survey. But if you click And, it'll change to Or. Now you'll see responses from people that match either filter. You can create multiple combinations and even mix Or and rules together. Compare rules let you see a side-by-side comparison of how different groups of people answered the survey, so you can compare the relationship between them and understand how they relate to each other. To create a compare rule, click the Rules tab and then click Compare. Say you have a question that asks for gender. You may want to see how women answered the survey in comparison to men. Choose your question and then choose male and female. For each question, you'll now see one chart for how women answered and another for how men answered. With Show Rules, you can choose to only show the data from particular pages or questions in your survey and hide the rest. From the Rules tab, click Show and then choose what pages you'd like to show. If you'd like to pick and choose specific questions instead, click the arrow next to any page and select a question. When you're ready, click Apply. Any page or question that isn't selected in your rule will be hidden, and you'll only see the questions and pages that you selected. And you can save any set of rules, so it's easy to come back later. Just open Save Views and save so you can come back at any time without having to set your rules again.